Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Do you like this huge Squishmallow?
This is one of my kids' favorite Squishmallows. They love the size of it. They love to lay on it like it's a pillow. While my daughter's looking on the tablet, she likes to chill on it. And it really has become one of her go-to relaxation tools. She really loves to squeeze it because it's so big and fluffy and fun. I really love the detail. If you look at the hair on there, the ears, it's just really fun. You can see the size of it and how squishy it is. Even I have cuddled with it and taken a nap.
So if you are looking for a Squishmallow, I would highly recommend this one. It is so big. It's the biggest one that we own, and we all love to snuggle it and squeeze it, and it's so super cute. We just love this product, and that's my point of view.